Hello everyone. In this video, we will guide you how you can use inventory dashboard in business intelligence in order to see your inventory status and for better decision making. So first of all, let us go to our business intelligence module. On your left hand side, you will see business intelligence. Please click on this. Now, once you will click on business intelligence, you will come in the inventory segment. So please check, here is the transaction inventory production account. So currently we are on inventory. Now, going below, please check. First of all, you can go ahead and see your stock level of item in inventory. This mainly works on minimum stock level and maximum stock level, which is defined in your inventory while adding the item. So suppose if there is one of the item on which MSL, minimum stock level, is defined, and accordingly the stock of that item is below minimum stock level, so that means you need to reorder the stock. So accordingly it will come in this. Once I will click in the table below, you can go ahead and see that those item will get listed. Same goes with the negative stock. If any stock is in negative, same you can see in the below table in order to go ahead and make a decision of reordering. Now, going below, you can see the inventory performance. Your inventory performance basically get divided in week on week, month on month, quarter on quarter. So accordingly, you can go ahead and check that exactly what is your inventory performance, how much amount inward have been done, how much amount GRN have been done, raw material issued in production, and finished good received through production process. So accordingly, you can check the amount which is listed. These all details come from the stock valuation or from the document. Now, going below, you can check the stock valuation. Stock valuation mainly get calculated as per FIFO basis. So as you can see here that you can check it in term of 0 to 3 month old, 3 to 6 month old, and accordingly once you will click on this, it will provide you the better brief explanation. You can see the data as per age category stored. So this is how you can go ahead and check the entire inventory dashboard, and accordingly it will assist you in making a better decision in inventory management. I hope this video will be helpful to you. Have a good day ahead.